welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Rema is back here with a song called Runaway. So another great song from Rema. Let's start this one up. We have capo set here on the 3rd fret, and with that we have 3 different chords. So they're pretty easy. Let's take a look at the chords. We have first the A major 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, 1st G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have this one, the B minor 7-ish chord. So that is 2nd on A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have the D major 7, and that is open D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. And what I do here, I just place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the G string and down. So 1, 2, 3 strings like this. Just a bar, and that's enough for the D major 7. And there you have the chords. Now, the chord progression in this song will be the same through the entire song. So it will be A major 7, the B minor 7, the D major, and then back to, A major 7 there. So A major, B, D, and A. That's how it goes. All right. So we have first this picking pattern here. We're gonna go through, and then we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. So let's start with the first one. And what I suggest here is to hold the chords as they are. All right. That will be easier to go and mix this up from the picking to the strumming and back and forth like this. So hold the chords as they are, and then we're gonna start with A major 7. We're gonna play it this. So that is open A, 1st G, open E, and 2nd B. Then you have a pause after this one, and then you go to next chord. You will have that pattern here through the entire melody. So that will be the next chord here, the B minor 7. So grab the chord as it is, and then it sounds like this. So that will be 2nd on A, then 2nd on G, open E, and 3rd on B. And you have the pause after that one, and then go to next chord. That's the D major 7. Again, hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this part. So that is open D, 2nd G, 2nd E, and 2nd B. Pause after that, and then you go back to the A major 7 and play in the same way. Pause after that, and you're finished with one round. So it starts and it ends with A major 7. So 4 chords, all right? Goes like this. All right. So perhaps I forgot to mention we have a capo set on the 3rd fret. I think you have seen that by now. Anyway, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So you will follow the same strumming through the entire song. So let's grab the first chord, the A major 7, and it sounds like this with 1 round of strumming. All right. So it's down, short pause, and then comes up, clap, down, and that's 1 round. So. Couple round of this strumming pattern sounds like this. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So with this chord progression, A minor, B minor, D, and A, it sounds like this. some freestyling ending there, but anyway, you can go back and forth with this melody and strumming. And that's it, my friends, for Rema's Runaway. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please thumb up, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Until next time, guys, play tuned.